Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. I'm sorry I can't be there today. I wish I were. Today things are going to look a little bit differently with the sub. I've given you a couple more things. By now, I'm assuming that the substitute has passed out the checklist. This is yours, and I would like to see it tomorrow on Tuesday to make sure that you have gotten all of your work done. There are little lines on the side of each time. Those you can put a check mark or an X or whatever you would like on it. There's a space for your name so we know it's yours. For morning work, it's probably already past 9 o'clock, but the sub should have told you that you could be silent reading during that time. Gervais, I'm just assuming you're on your computer right now, so Gervais will have passed out your computers. Computers don't need to be plugged in tonight. We'll plug them in on Tuesday once I get back to school. From 9 to 9:30, you guys will be working on a math packet. This math packet is Unit 1 Assessment Form B. This looks exactly like the test that we'll take on Friday, but we'll be taking Form A. And so you'll have 30 minutes to work on this, and you're just going to be working on numbers 1, 2, and 3, which right on the first page. Then you will come back onto Google Classroom and watch a video of me explaining just those 3 problems. After that, from 9:30 to 10:30, you'll be working your Math Shiny book on pages 42 to 44. I expect those pages to be done. Let me see, I think, yeah. I've got it'll look like this in your math book. 42 to 44. There's 5 problems on the front, 2 more on the second page, and then you have a performance task. So it's really only 3 pages. The performance task, it has a problem up top, and I'll go ahead and read this problem to you later after this video. In the math video, I'll read this problem to you, so you can look at that then, and we'll make sure that you get that done. But this performance task, I expect to be done, this whole packet, or it's in your math book, but I have a packet of it. I expect this to be done tomorrow on Tuesday so that we can go over it in class. It's very important that you're working hard and getting all of your work done. At 10:30 to 11 o'clock, you'll be doing science. I have copied a paper for you that has all of the section titles on it that you will be working on. And remember, there's about 2 facts, at least 2 facts per section. If you would like to add more, that is completely up to you, but at least 2 facts for each section. I'm sorry, Cooper got new toys tonight, so he's very excited and playing with them. So if you hear squeaking, that's what it is. From 11 to 11:30, you'll be doing social studies, so you'll have both science and social studies today. They're going to look exactly the same. Science, you'll obviously use your science book. I've provided those pages for you on your checklist. The substitute also knows them. And then the social studies, you'll use the newspaper, which the substitute will pass out to you. From 11:30 to 12, you will work on iReady. If you have not finished your iReady reading test, my expectation is that that reading test will be done today. And then for the rest of you, you will just be working on Math iReady. Remember, it is not about the time that we have, but the lessons that we are passing. So please make sure you're listening to that lesson and passing your quizzes, because that is what myself and Ms. Smith expect of you, is to pass those lessons. After that, you guys will go to lunch. You'll come back and do some silent reading. Please don't spend your time going through the book bins. You all should have at least a book in your desk to silent read, so make sure you're using your time wisely and reading. From 1 to, is that right? Yeah, from 1 o'clock to 2:30. So for an hour and a half, you'll have 3 different reading videos on Google Classroom from me. We'll finish up reading Love That Dog. We'll work on a little bit of writing, and just going over a couple of things to wrap up Love That Dog. We'll begin, like I said, writing, and then soon we'll be writing our own poetry. From 2:30 to 2:50, you guys will work on your math homework page. Once you get that done, if you did not finish something up today that you need to get done, go ahead and do that. You know, like we said yet last week, if you didn't get something done and you know it needs to be done, you may absolutely take it home for homework. It is my expectation that you are getting everything done. I did not give you more than what we would normally do if I were there. Use your time wisely, be responsible for you, follow our class rule, have integrity, be kind to yourself, to your classmates, to your substitute teacher. In Google Classroom, I'm going to show you my computer. You're going to go to this second tab. Well, so your first tab is going to be Stream. Your second tab is Classwork. On Classwork, there is a folder called September 9th Subday. I know this is backwards for you guys, so I'm sorry. But September 9th Subday. And the only thing I have logged in there or uploaded there right now is the checklist, just so you guys can see it beyond your paper copy. But you guys can pull that up. All the videos will be on here in order. So from bottom to top. At the bottom will be the beginning of the day. The top will end up being the end of the day. So go ahead and make sure that you're watching the videos, because it is actually me teaching you, just like I would be there normally. I hope you guys have a great day. Use your time wisely. Be the amazing students that I know you are. I miss you. I hope you guys just have a really, really great day, and I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. Bye.